1 year ago yesterday, I performed my one-woman show at the Concrete Theater called The Confidence Equation. This equation that I have come to believe explains how confidence works in our lives. And here basically is the simple form of how it works, as you can see. Oh, that's a joke. Of course, that's not simple. Here it is. This is the simple part. So let me explain it to you and see if you agree with me. C is courage. Confidence starts with courage, our decision to take a step forward. When we do that, we gain two things, knowledge and experience. And when we do that, we gain more confidence. That MC squared is confidence in me. That's very, very simple. C equals K plus E, which leads us to MC squared, confidence. Now, what generally happens is for people, if you take the step of courage, you have an expectation that something will happen. When it doesn't happen, then even though you have gained knowledge and experience, you feel bad. And so you send yourself backward instead of forward into the confidence zone. There. But what really starts the equation is this, and this is sort of the big surprise. What really kicks off this whole equation is doubt. Big daddy doubt. Because let me ask you this. Because really, if you think about courage, how can there be such a thing as courage without doubt? See, yeah. Without doubt, you can't have courage. Courage depends on doubt. So what kicks off the equation and drives the equation with its energy is doubt, overcoming doubt with courage, and that sends us on our way. That's it. That's the confidence equation. Now you know. That means you don't have to see the show. No, of course it doesn't mean you don't have to see the show. You want to see the show because it's funny, it's lighthearted, it also is very poignant, very emotional. You would love the show. So hire me to come to your organization and put on the confidence equation show. We'll turn it into a workshop. It'll be sensational, perfect for a retreat, perfect for a corporate event. There you go, confidence equation. Just ask me and I will be there. We'll talk about it, we'll negotiate, we'll figure it all out, and you'll have the confidence equation served up just how you like it. Okay, I don't know, I'm rambling at this point. All right, we'll see you next week.